Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Alejandra. I am on Instagram as Lashed by Ale, and today I will be showing you what is in my new aftercare bag. So I used to just give my clients a little brush with a foam cleanser, and I try to get them to have a little spoolie in a tube besides the spoolie that I give them after their appointment. I just feel like this is always nice to have in your car, your purse. Just, it doesn't get dirty. You open it, you use it, and you close it back up, and you're good to go. So now I just want to make sure my clients have a proper aftercare. So I've set up a new little bag that I want to fill with goodies and just things that they might use or they might need, besides the lash bath and the brush. So let's get started. Okay, so in the bag I will be including the cleanser, the brush, and 2 lip masks just for a pamper day or whatever they want to do. Extra spoolies, 2 spoolies in the tube in case they misplace one, and then the extra spoolies I usually always give them, which are like the spoolie that I work with when I'm doing their lashes, and then I will be adding a few extra ones in case they lose it or if they want to replace the spoolie that's inside of the tube. And we'll also be adding a squeeze bottle. I like this one when I wash their lashes prior to the service. It just makes it so much easier. Wash their lashes, rinse it, and pat dry, then fan them out with the fan, and we're good to go. So we will be adding that. Okay, so now let's get it all set up. I am going to be adding some of this little, what is it called? It's just like shredded paper, shredded colored paper, act like a base inside of the bag. So I will be adding some of this. Whoa, I hope I don't make a mess. So some of this paper in here. Then we will be adding the cleanser and the brush. The one that I really like to use is from Lash, the Lash Detox Gentle Foaming Cleanser. This one is safe to use, obviously, on your lashes. Very gentle. It doesn't irritate your eyes. So yes. Oh, I will insert a picture if I can. So yes, the foaming cleanser, the brush, then the squeeze bottle. They're gonna love this. I know they will. The extra spoolies with the spoolies in the tube. 2 lip masks. One more thing that I forgot to bring. I recently ordered these for my clients. I get them every time I place an order with Lip Lash. Okay, so this is what I'm talking about. It's a pink fortune cookie with a cute Boss Babe lash related message inside. Okay, so I will be adding this to the aftercare bag, and also a loyalty card. This one isn't filled out just because once I have the client, I will fill it out, put their name, put their reward or discount that they will be receiving on their 6th visit. So yeah, it's just a little thank you card with the reward system in the front. So I will be adding this. And so And that is it for the aftercare bag. Let me show you. I wonder if I can show it like this. Okay, so this is the bag. This thank you. And inside they will have, like I said, the cleanser, the brush, squeeze bottle, lip masks, fortune cookie, extra spoolies, and the reward cards. So that is it, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this little pack and aftercare with me. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you soon.